waste. Waste is generated by humans. It's only humans as species that waste food, no other species. Because we put it there, it is our moral responsibility to fix the problem, to turn this around. Our building is situated in London at 55 Great Suffolk Street. It is surrounded by various business sectors, residential and retail buildings. It was an industrial building that we later transformed into a mixed-use building. In the new proposal, we wanted to change the unsustainable system into a self-sufficient one. REVA. REVA means reusing waste. As per our given brief, we had to focus on edible futures. Edible futures is intended in a very wide way, and it's not literally the food we eat, but it is also to think how the food is produced and provided. In our building, REVA, we tried to focus on all these elements related to edible futures and to be sensitive towards it. We made sure that our design development was focused on this brief and was translated into the spatial solutions. Starting with our building, we restored the elements of it following the adaptive reuse. We tried to understand how the food industry wastes food that is produced in an abundant quantity. The idea of our building is not having a bin. Our strategy is focused on closing the loop. Starting with vertical farming, growing plants indoors in a controlled environment can thrive regardless of the outdoor environment. We tried to focus on sustainability, showing the world that this kind of holistic, sustainable, ethical concept does not need compromise and can be high-end. Our organic waste management system allows all our tenants, workers, and customers to be responsible for separating organic waste by putting them into the air pressurized tubes. This system will then carry the waste into the thermal anaerobic digester plant, which is the organic waste management system. The process will then turn the food waste into energy, and the byproduct of the fertilizer will then be used for the vertical farming and also our community garden on the rooftop. Design from back to front, always with the bin in mind. REVA building is conceived with a desire to innovate food with respecting the environment, for the nourishment of our body and for respecting how our food is being generated. This means we create everything from its whole farm, cutting out food miles and overprocessing whilst preserving nutrients and the integrity of the ingredients in the process. To achieve zero waste, all products delivered to the restaurant come in reusable vessels such as crates, pails, urns, or containers. Anything that is not consumed by our customers or us is fed into the aeroponic digester, which can generate up to 60 kg of compost in 24 hours. Our building's furniture and fittings are created from a desire to reuse, choosing upcycling before recycling. We choose to work in a homogeneous manner to deliver delicious natural food whilst demonstrating that sustainable food business is financially viable. This is exactly what we are trying to achieve in our building REVA. My name is Mudgal, Masters in Landscape and Spatial Design in Politecnico di Milano. We adopted a zero waste system to achieve edible futures.